Here I have Nokia XR21, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So to do this, let's firstly go to upper bar, and here you can find the button battery saver. So by tap on it once, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can change its optimizations here. Like, there's a lot. I don't think I should read it all to you. So all these actions, they kinda like extend your battery life when you enable them. So you can also disable face unlock and turn off location. This stuff takes a lot of battery too. So yeah, you can also like set up a schedule. You can also set up a schedule for this battery saver. Select start time, end time, and yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.